Okay, what did I say? Old Faithful hiding behind the trees. He's here. That's Old Faithful right there. As I always say, living up to his name. I just couldn't see him through the trees. That's how low these things are. That I'm up on a garage roof and can't see him because the trees are in the way. That's how low these are, you guys. And there's the government again. Yep. Just passing through my airspace. See that? And he's got Old Faithful right here. I don't know if you can even see these guys. I should hope so. I hope that's why they're out here. I sent a couple notices. Nobody calls me or anything. I guess they think I'm being... Okay, so now Junior's right above me. This is right above me, guys. I don't even know how to explain it. Maybe 200 yards? Not even. Right above my head. And then right above the house, that's Last of the Mohicans. See him on the bottom right quadrant. I think that's how I need to break my phone into quadrants. The screen. So, as usual, I can get these guys on video, but all the other ones are too far up. That's Junior again. Last of the Mohican. My battery's dying. You can see some shots of the jets that all of a sudden are flying over my house. I don't think you guys can see that. So I'm going to go out now. And thank you for watching. It's going to get better from here on out. Over and out.